Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Slow and Clear English series. In this video, we will learn English through a very simple daily activity, preparing breakfast. You will follow a calm morning routine with Hana. She prepares a simple breakfast and explains what she is doing step by step. Don't worry. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the video. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. When you listen with a clear goal, it becomes easier to understand and stay focused. So here is the question. Why do we call the morning meal breakfast? Hana will explain the answer in this video. When you understand it, please write the answer in the comments. Writing your answer will help you learn better. Now, are you ready?
Good morning. I'm Hana. Thank you for joining me today. Today, I'm going to prepare my breakfast. It's not a special meal, but it's something I eat quite often. This morning, I'll make scrambled eggs, some toast, and a small fresh salad. I'll explain what I'm doing and why I do it this way, step by step. Before we begin, let me share something interesting with you. We call this first meal of the day breakfast, but have you ever wondered why? The word breakfast is very simple. It is made of two words. First, there is break. Break means to stop something. Second, there is fast. Here, fast means a period of time when you are not eating food. When you sleep at night, your body is fasting. So breakfast means to break the fast. It is the meal that ends the long fast from the night before. Now that we know this, let's prepare breakfast together. Please relax, listen carefully, and prepare breakfast with me. Now, let's check the ingredients. I like to look at everything first before I start cooking. It helps me stay organized and feel relaxed. When I see all the ingredients together, I feel ready to cook. Today, I have some eggs. They are very fresh. I bought them yesterday. I also have a few slices of bread. They're perfect for toast. For the salad, I have lettuce, tomatoes, and one small onion. The lettuce is green and crisp. The tomatoes are red and ripe. For seasoning, I'll use olive oil, salt, and black pepper. In the morning, I don't like heavy sauces or strong flavors. I prefer light and simple tastes. My body feels better this way. Everything looks good. Before we start preparing, there's one more thing I'd like to ask you. Which one do you usually have for breakfast? Eggs, bread, or fruit? Please tell me in the comments. I'll start by preparing the vegetables for the salad. First, I wash the lettuce carefully under cold water. I take my time here. Washing vegetables is important. Then I shake off the water and place the lettuce on a clean towel. I let it sit for a moment. Next, I wash the tomatoes. They feel smooth and cool. I cut off the ends and slice them slowly. I like the pieces not too big and not too small. Medium size is perfect. I arrange them on a small plate. Now I move on to the onion. Some people don't like onions, but I think they add good flavor. I peel the skin and cut it in half. The knife should be sharp. A sharp knife is safer. I slice it very thinly. Strong onion flavor can be too much in the morning. Thin slices are better. I always try to stay focused when I use a knife. Safety is important. Now all the vegetables are ready. I feel good about this. Now it's time to cook the scrambled eggs. This is my favorite part. First, I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. I tap them gently on the edge. I try to break them cleanly so no shell falls in. Sometimes a small piece of shell gets in. That's okay. I can take it out with a spoon. Next, I add a pinch of salt and a little black pepper. Not too much, just a little bit. I mix the eggs gently with a fork until the color looks even. The color should be bright yellow. While the eggs are sitting, I put the bread in the toaster and start it. I set the toaster to medium. Now I heat the pan on low heat. Low heat is very important for soft scrambled eggs. High heat will make them dry. I don't want that. I add a small amount of olive oil and let it warm up slowly. I watch the oil carefully. When it starts to move a little, the pan is ready. When the pan is ready, I pour in the eggs. I hear a soft sound. I stir them gently and slowly. I use a wooden spoon. I move the eggs from the edge to the center. I don't rush. Scrambled eggs should be soft and creamy, not dry. This takes about 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. When they look smooth and slightly shiny, I turn off the heat. Perfect. The eggs are done. Today, I made scrambled eggs. They are simple and easy to cook. But when we talk about egg dishes, one of the most popular ones is probably boiled eggs. So before we move on, I'd like to share a small but useful tip with you. This is a simple way to peel boiled eggs easily and cleanly. You may have heard about this method before. It sounds simple, but it really works. Here is the process. First, use a little water. put water in the pot so it covers about half of the eggs. Next, close the lid and boil the eggs for about 10 minutes. After that, turn off the heat, keep the lid on, and let the eggs rest for 5 minutes. This step is called steaming. Then, cool the eggs quickly. Put them into cold water or ice water right away. This is the most important step. The cold water makes the egg white shrink, so the shell comes off easily and cleanly.
While the toast is finishing, I also make a cup of coffee. I usually drink coffee with breakfast. It helps me wake up. I have a simple coffee maker. I add some water and 1 spoon of coffee. Then I press the button. The coffee maker starts. I can smell the coffee now. It smells really good. Coffee in the morning is one of my small pleasures. I pour the coffee into my favorite cup. It's a white cup, simple and clean. Oh, the toast is ready now. I can hear the toaster pop up. I prefer lightly toasted bread. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Not too dark, not too light, just right. Now everything is ready. Let me put it all together. I place the toast on the plate. I put it on the left side. Then I add the scrambled eggs. I put them in the middle. They look soft and yellow. Finally, I add the salad. I put it on the right side. I drizzle a little olive oil over the salad and add a pinch of salt. Just a little bit. Simple food can still be enjoyable. Presentation also matters. Even simple food looks nice when you arrange it well. I'm happy with this.
So here is my breakfast for today. Would you like to try this kind of breakfast? Or do you prefer something sweeter? Maybe pancakes, cereal, or fruit? Everyone has different tastes. Let me know your answer in the comments. I'm interested to know what you like. Now I sit down at my table. I bring my plate and my cup of coffee. The morning light comes through the window. It's peaceful. I take a moment to look at my food. I feel grateful. I take my first bite of the eggs. They are warm and soft, just the way I like them. The toast is crunchy. The salad is fresh and light. Everything tastes good together. I eat slowly. I don't check my phone. I just enjoy the food and the quiet morning. This is my time. When I eat breakfast calmly, my whole day feels better. I feel more relaxed. I feel more ready. Breakfast is important. Before we finish the video, let's review some words and expressions we used today. These are very common words. You can use them in your daily life. First word, prepare. Prepare means to get things ready. For example, I prepare my breakfast every morning. Next word, check. Check means to look at something carefully to make sure it's okay. For example, I check the ingredients before cooking. Next words, cut and slice. Cut means to divide something with a knife. Slice means to cut something into thin pieces. For example, I cut the vegetables. I slice the onion thinly. Next words, heat and add. Heat means to make something warm or hot. Add means to put something in. For example, I heat the pan. I add some olive oil. Next word, prefer. Prefer means to like one thing more than another. For example, I prefer lightly toasted bread. Next expression, be ready. Be ready means something is finished and you can use it now. For example, my breakfast is ready. Next word, arrange. Arrange means to put things in a nice order. For example, I arrange the food on the plate. Last word, enjoy. Enjoy means to feel happy about something. For example, I enjoy my breakfast. Try using these words in your own sentences. You don't need to be perfect. Just keep practicing. Every day you get better. This is how I usually prepare my breakfast on a normal morning. Nothing special, nothing difficult, just simple and calm. I believe calm mornings can change the rest of the day. When you start the day peacefully, you feel better all day. Thank you very much for watching and spending this time with me. I hope you found this video relaxing and helpful. Maybe you can try this breakfast too, or maybe you have your own way. That's wonderful. The important thing is to enjoy your morning. Take care of yourself. See you next time. Goodbye.
How was it? Today, you learned many words and expressions about preparing breakfast. You also learned some interesting facts about breakfast. Now, let me ask the question again. Why do we call the morning meal breakfast? If you know the answer, please write it in the comments. I always enjoy reading your answers. We make slow and clear English videos to help you learn step by step, one small routine at a time. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.